Hello everyone! The Italian company is preparing to premiere the new generation of its compact hatchback. The new Lancia Ypsilon will be made on the modular CMP platform and will have a hybrid or all-electric setup. The new Lancia Ypsilon is a premium B-class model with an expensive interior. The electric car will receive a 156 horsepower unit. The Lancia Ypsilon hybrids will be powered by 1.2-liter gasoline turbo engines with 100 and 136 horsepower.
Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.